Yeah, I just got this system installed. In fact, we have installed the entire farm, the pond, the RAS. So there is a circulating aquaculture system. That's the RAS. It's a protection and aeration system that makes you to run your farm without changing the water. If you need the service of just the this aquaculture system, that's the RAS, we can provide that for you. And if you also need entire farm setup, as we have done, this setup, this is 1,000 capacity catfish farm. It comes with tarpaulin, fingerlings, the RAS, scooping net, and the bag of feed, and other items. More importantly, mentorship. We train you on how to manage your farm, which is also very important. Now, if you need only RAS, contact us. You not change the water. That you have your farm already. If you need complete setup, contact us. We also do that for you, and then the cost will depend on the quantity that you want to start your farm with. If contact us, we do that for you. You can also check out our resources in the description. And then I thank you. If you don't subscribe to this channel, please do so. Share and let's reach more fish farmers. The aim is to share fish practice based on our experience. Thank you so much for watching.